Avante 1 voice. Thank you, Antoinette. Thank you, Chris, for getting into the do now. Saeed voice 1. Thank you, those who got started. I need to see your desk looking professional with only your class packet, Avante voice off, and 1 writing utensil. Everything else is put into your seat sack. You are silently in your do now. Thank you, Corday, for moving your things off of your desk. Thank you, Antoinette and Nyla. And that's something clear, because I see a lot of us not following directions, so I'm going to say it one more time. Everything is off of your desks. Only your class packet and writing utensil. Thank you, Kayla, for removing the accordion folder. Scholars, I mean books as well. I know that's a new one, so let's put those books away. Okay, we'll put it under yours. Put it under yours. So Tehran, Micah, Taylor, Cameron, that's 1 opposite direction. Books are put away. Thank you, Javon. Thank you, Taylor. Cameron, put it away. Module 1 voice, student adjusted desk. Saeed 1 voice. Saeed now it's 3. Micah 1 asked twice. Everything off your desk. Avante, sit down. That's 1 asked twice. Thank you, Sanai, Antoinette. My cursor on this side looks very strong. Micah, all the way. Your hand should only be up if you have a question on your do now. Cameron, 1 asked twice, book put away until you are done with your do. Any questions on your do now? Is it for a pencil? Okay, then no questions. Okay, that's 1 call out. Scholars, you still have 3 minutes. From module 1, opposite directions, your accordion folder is put away. Thank you, Rhonda. Thank you, Zanaya, for that level 0. Torian 1 call out. Corday 1 voice. Thank you, Travion. Excellent job, Marion. Thank you. Excellent job, Travion. Thank you, Tehran. I appreciate your excellence this morning. Completely silent this whole time with a professional looking desk. very hard on her to do now. She's got almost the entire page full. Nice job, Javon. Thank you, Zoe. Okay, Congo. While we are going over the do now, I need to see back straight, chest to desk, pencil in hand, checking or changing your answers. Altasia, thank you for that strong posture. Thank you, Jarrell. Micah, that's one STL, sit up. Chris, that's one STL, sit up. Thank you, Antoinette. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Micah, all the way. All right. Let's go over our do now. Site one, please. I need a level 0. That means we're not coming to ourselves, talking to the person next to us. We are completely silent. Okay, looking at the top of the do now. Taylor, that's one asked twice, the little boy. Our independent variable is water amount. Our dependent variable is growth amount. Who can turn that into a testable question for me? Report it.
Does the water amount affect the growth amount?
Do we agree? Say it one more time, Corday, even louder.
Does the water amount affect the growth amount?
Javon agrees. Nyla agrees. There's a few more hands. Check or change it. Does the water amount affect the growth amount? Three, that's one. Opposite direction, you only need one writing when that's off. Look the other side. Now let's turn that into a hypothesis. Antoinette? Can you say it one more time even louder? I can't hear you from over here. So I like part of what you said. Let's fix the very beginning. You said as the. How should we start our hypotheses? See how? Okay, so listen when we come back. Nyla. If the. Yeah, so now say what you just said again, Antoinette, starting with if the. write it down. Taylor, sit up. If the water amount increases, then growth increases. Might go one voice. First it up. Okay, next question. How much more water in cylinder B than in cylinder A? I'll take it. Let's double check that. I'll take it. What is the amount in cylinder A? It's right in between the 40 and the 50. What's halfway between 40 and 50? 45. What is cylinder B? 40? 55. So what is the amount? How much more in cylinder B than cylinder A? Maria. Checking papers, making sure they match the board. Corday, nice job. 3-1 off task. Get started, please. Thank you, Ramaja. All right, last question. Hear your voices. Allocation 1. Thank you, Taylor. Thank you, Corian. We're in an excellent STL right now. Allocation, that's 1, asked twice. Tonight, thank you, pretty much showing excellent self-control this morning. Thank you, Corday. Now remember, when we make a conclusion, I encourage you to annotate the data table. So looking at this first column, are the numbers increasing or are they decreasing? Nyla? These numbers right here, are they increasing or are they decreasing? 1, 2, 3, 4. Increase or decrease? So add plus signs. The second column, denial. 3, 6, 9, 12. Are those numbers increasing or are they decreasing? Corian. 3 to 6. So are we going up, Corian, or are we going down? There you go. They're going up. So add plus signs. Check or change. We would word this as the diameter increases. The speed increases. Michael 1 STL. Sit up. Saeed 1 STL. Sit up. All right, because of time, we do need to move on. So I need you to turn your class packet to page 2. And I need you to put that class packet at the top of your desk. Nice job, Corian. Thank you. Corday's packet is at the top of his desk. So is Antoinette. Nyla and Denaya are there. Thank you, Mariah. Joelle, get there. Taylor, get there. Top scholars sitting chest to desk. Thank you, Corian. Thank you, Javon. Taylor, get there. So yesterday, when we went over volume and I looked at your exit tickets, I noticed that we were having a really hard time with it. So we're going to go ahead and do a quick reteach of that today so we can do it better and we can address some of those issues that we have trouble with. So when you get your paper, you're going to put your name at the top, you're going to put it in front of you, and you're going to go into STL and wait for my next set of directions. And we're doing all of this at a level 0. Table captains, once you get the papers, go ahead and silently pass them down. And again, scholars, your name is going on them. And then you're going into STL and waiting for the next set of instructions. First row's doing an excellent job putting their names on their papers and not talking while they're passing out the exit tickets. Now they'll pass them to Jerron will pass it to Corian. I see Corday and Latez putting their title on their paper. Taylor, pass them down. Alright, now sitting in chest to desk in 3, in 2, Corion's already there, and 1. Thank you, Corday. Taylor and Chris, that's 1 opposite direction, sitting up chest to desk. Scoot all the way in. That was 1. 2, perfect, all the way in. Alright, your name should be on your paper. I want to remind you of the steps of how we do this. So I need to see paper matching board. Because we had a hard time with these yesterday. So these notes are going to help you understand it today. So find the volume. Write down volume of the graduated cylinder. Lots of excellent tracking from the front. Scholars are looking at their paper and looking up at the board, making sure they get down everywhere. Corian is rocking these notes right now. And I want you to underline where it says without the object. You need to find the volume of the graduated cylinder that does not have the object in it first. The second step, Corday's ready to go. Is to find the volume of the second graduated cylinder. See lots of pencils went immediately to our paper. And that one is with the object. So we find the volume of both first. Then the third step, we subtract to find the volume of the object. We subtract to find the volume of the object. Nice job, Cortez. I appreciate that scholars have left their class packet at the top of their desk and they're only working at the retake right now. Nice job following directions. So step number 1 is to do what, Altasia? Of which cylinder? There's 2. So which one do I look at first? The one with the object or the one without the object? Without the object. So looking down here, look at that water line. What is the volume that this graduated cylinder has?